Meaning of jawbreaker.
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 Jawbreaker. The word jawbreaker can have a few different meanings depending on the context. One meaning refers to a type of hard candy that is usually circular and takes a long time to eat because it is difficult to bite or chew. This candy can be called a jawbreaker because it may require so much effort to eat that it feels like it could break your jaw. Another meaning of jawbreaker is a term used to describe a very difficult or complicated problem or task. In this context, the word is often used figuratively to describe something that is not literally breaking your jaw, but rather is causing mental strain or difficulty. Lastly, jawbreaker can also be used as a slang term to refer to a punch or other physical blow to the jaw that is powerful enough to cause injury.